Well, you can probably tell from the title of this video, and we have been putting it off long enough, so it's finally time to tell you that we are selling our van, and here's why. Okay, so one of the reasons we are selling our van, I need you to come on in so I can show you. And yes, I have a mic on because it is a very official and bittersweet day to be posting this video. Okay, so one of the reasons we have made the decision to sell our van, I wouldn't say is the number one reason, but it's in the top, let's say 5, is that we kind of feel like we've just outgrown this space. We've been in here for 2 years, we built it for 10 months, and lately things just feel extremely cramped. Let me show you.
Oh, hello.
While we have everything organized, it just feels like a lot. Maybe we just need to get a little bit more organized, but we have soup cans next to camera gear. We have soda cans on top of medical aid kits. I don't know, it feels like a lot right now. And then, not to mention the front area that no van lifer really discusses. The zone of doom. And this is what it's like pretty much every single day.
The second reason, which is honestly also in the top 5 reasons why we want to sell the van, is we want to take advantage of selling the van while it still has great value. Even though we brought this van through Baja, 10 states, 3 different countries, it's still in fantastic condition.
Also, we built this van with our bare hands, all thanks to YouTube Academy, and we had professionals help us on plumbing and electricity, so we know that this van is at the exact right value that it should be at.
And we'd love someone else to have an amazing adventure just like we did.
Okay, so now we're sitting for a little chit chat.
Little van life chit chat.
Now number 3, which is probably one of the biggest reasons.
Probably the biggest reason.
Is we're ready just for a new adventure. Like we said, we have lived in this van for 2 years now and built it out for 10 months. So basically, we have been thinking and dreaming about van life for over 3 years, and we already did the hard part, which is making the leap, taking out the loan, using our savings, working full time to build out this van and to purchase it. And to make that initial leap, we've already done the hard part of starting van life and now being van lifers, I guess, which was a dream of ours for so long. And I feel like now that we've already taken this leap, it's like, why not try something new in this realm? Because don't worry, we are not gone from being travelers. We still absolutely want to continue that, and we basically just want a bigger rig, and we actually know which one we want, but we will share that for when it actually becomes official. Maybe some people can afford 2 rigs at one time, but we sure cannot.
Definitely not us.
We have to sell this van before we can move on to that next adventure.
And what's so exciting is the second that this is sold, we can be in the new rig within 1 week. So it would basically be like a very quick and seamless process once we get it sold.
We feel super lucky to live this life and hopefully inspire people to get out there, even if it means just exploring somewhere new in your own town. But it was definitely not a decision that came super easy. We've talked about it so many times, but I also feel like you never know what life is going to bring. Why not try something new while we're already doing this? Do you agree?
This has been a decision that we've been going back and forth on, getting very stressed, excited, nervous, every single feel, basically since the beginning of the year. Like Kelly said earlier, once you finally made that leap to kind of live a non-traditional life, every other leap and decision you make is going to be easier because you've already broken that seal. Like, you know, like, oh, like, I'm already in it, let's just keep going. Kind of like when people are like, hey, like, I already have a dog, let's get another one. I have a baby, let's keep going. We're already in this world. You know what I mean?
We assume. That's another thing. It would be cool to have the opportunity to give Sunny a sibling one day and like have a guest or a friend over and be able to sleep in our rig with us. Also, we are travelers, but we are also homebodies. We love having days where we are just working in the van or homemaking in the van. And so
Homemaking?
You know how people call themselves homemakers?
I had never heard that.
Okay, well, anyways, it would be really cool to have a bigger rig, maybe with a bigger fridge, an oven, a separate bathroom, so we could just expand our space, have more room to grow, and to be at home during the day and not feel cramped, you know? I don't think that's too much to us.
I don't think so either. And also having a space inside for Kelly to do workouts without weird men watching her and stuff like that. And also having a place for our Sunny to zoom inside when the weather's not great and like a safe controlled space. It would just be really nice.
We have loved tiny living since we started dating. We have always binged YouTube videos and TV shows about tiny living. So it's honestly no surprise to me that we are doing that and that we want to continue doing that. And we will still be living tiny, just a little bit bigger than the tiny space that we live in now.
Exactly. Still significantly tinier than pretty much everyone watching this video.
I'm excited about this.
I know, I'm really excited. We're ready.
We're ready for this.
We're
I
ready
think
for a
so.
change, yeah.
Watch us chicken out and then stay in the van for 5 more years.
It could happen. It could happen. This all depends on you.
If you've been supporting us on Patreon, you have already known about this big change for a while now. But if you want to look into the listings that we have this van on and learn more about the specs, the price, all of that good stuff, we will leave it in the links below. We would honestly love it to go to a subscriber or a viewer watching this video. That would be incredible to us. But if you want to learn more about all of that, then check out the links in the description below. Now for a speed tour of the van. When you walk in, we have a full double closet. This side has clothes and camera gear. This side has miscellaneous and pantry items, but you can use whatever you want. Over here, we have a full kitchen that I think is quite beautiful if I do say so myself. We have a 33-gallon fresh water tank and a filtered tap. More pantry space up here, garbage and cleaning supplies under the sink. One of my personal favorite drawers, a skincare drawer, even room for a junk drawer, and a cute tiny little fridge. Oops, we always overstuff it, but you don't have to. 2-burner propane stove, and 4 drawers to hold all of your full bath and shower with a compostable toilet with hot water, what we have dubbed the nightstand. Decorate at your leisure. In this area, we have a ton more storage. We have 8 total upper cabinets. Over here is all of your buttons for plumbing, and over here is your electrical system. It's super easy, and we have created it to be the most user-friendly experience possible. Here is a step up into our living/bedroom space. These couches on my left and right convert into almost a king-size bed. It is 6 inches of memory foam and one of the most comfortable beds I have ever slept in. We have 2 bunker windows that we personally put in that create an amazing airflow. We have shoe storage underneath me and extra storage in this middle compartment right here. A ton of extra storage. Under this bench is all of our plumbing stuff, and under this bench is all of our electrical stuff and extra storage. Right here is where you fill up our 33-gallon water tank. It's also an outdoor shower, 2 more storage compartments, and where we put our dining room table. Right here we installed this handy dandy flatline side ladder. And up here we have a mini rooftop deck, 2 fans and 4 solar panels, which is 400 watts of solar. But of course you can find even more detailed information in the links below.
Sonny, did you enjoy living in this van?
You said, what the heck? You're selling my house?
What?
What?
What? A couple last things about the van. It is a 170 wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter 2015, only 120 something thousand miles of diesel. Diesels go up to 1 million miles if you take good care of it, which we have. We bring it to the shop every few months for checkups, oil changes, you name it, making sure it's always in great condition. And we also added KO2 all-terrain tires. It can get you where you need to go, no worries. If it's, not 4-wheel drive, you know what I mean.
Fun couple and puppy, not included, unless you pay for it.
We are so happy to finally have shared our big secret and to also share that our van is currently on the market. Thank you so much for watching. We are Sam and Kelly, and we are doing 7 days of vlogging. This is day 3, so we hope you will stick around for the rest of our videos.
And if you want to get caught up, the last 2 videos will be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are loving Bend, Oregon so far, and we can't wait to keep exploring it.
Bye, guys.
Bye.